Alright friends, Wayne over here at Ram Man Inc. I gotta put together these wide mouth pin caliper designs for this old boy that's ordered the C-body disc brake kit. And I talk about it all the time. Pin calipers are some of the finest calipers that they are. The factory Kelsey Hayes pin caliper system, which we use pin calipers today. So, we've got our dust boot, what they call it. We've got our piston seal. And the body of the pin caliper, it's got those grooves machined into it. So I'll put this piston seal in here. Hopefully it goes easy. And you folks get a general idea. Hopefully it goes in like she should. Without too much trouble. Alright. Piston seals in. The big old square cut O-rings, and we grease them, but we don't use a petroleum based grease. It's kind of a synthetic. And it's like we've been using electrical grease for years and years and years on our calipers and our boosters. And so I've lubed up that seal. I've lubed up our piston. And of course now I gotta put dust boot on him. Now I've got greasy hands and greasy components. So run that on down like that. Now the piston's beveled right there, so you gotta work this lip into the top groove with it like a flathead, little flathead, and hopefully I'm going to make it look easy. This is by no means the first and only one that I've ever done, but it's like a lot of things. Every now and then you'll just run into a hiccup, man. Just can't get that damn boat at the trailer's trying to float a little bit or something. Done it 50 times, but the one time that you do go on 4th of July, when the line's 25 deep, 1,000 people are watching you, you can't get the boat on the trailer for shit and look like a dumbass. And like I said, we're kind of dealing with some greasy paws too. Work that bad boy back and forth. Voila. Dust boot is completely seated all the way around, all the way. That lip is in, and she's done. That wasn't too bad. Hey, if it doesn't go that well for you, that's all right. I'm not going to tell you how many I've done. And I was taught by a master, Uncle Ron, with 40 years of tricks. So, greasing is important. Getting it just right on that bevel, that piston's bevel, getting it just right. And see, my paws are a little greasy. Are you with me? So, it doesn't help out in holding things very well. Get him angled just right. Get that lip in there halfway around. Get a little angle on it. You gotta get that lip just right, or damn thing wants to pop out on you. Then you gotta blow it all back apart and reseat it.
Having over 3,000 stores with this insane 2.6 euro deal certainly gives us a head start.
If you can't do 2 in 5 minutes, explaining it to your neighbor, don't worry about it. You'll get better if you do any more. God bless you, God bless America, and happy Mopar. Bye.